Welcome back to Smooth Auto Vibes, where we bring you the finest rides on the road. Today, we have something truly legendary, the 2026 Lexus LFA. A name that sends chills down the spines of car enthusiasts worldwide. Lexus has brought back the beast, and trust me, this one is worth the wait. The original LFA was a masterpiece, a rare symphony of engineering and passion. Now, Lexus is back, rewriting the rules with a next-gen supercar that blends high-revving performance with cutting-edge technology. Let's talk design. The 2026 LFA is more aggressive than ever, with sharper lines, massive air intakes, and an aerodynamically sculpted body made primarily from carbon fiber. Every curve has a purpose, reducing weight and maximizing speed. And those taillights, pure futuristic art. Speaking of power, Lexus isn't holding back. The 2026 LFA is rumored to pack a hybrid-assisted twin-turbo V8, pushing out over 700 horsepower. That's right, this isn't just a supercar, it's a hypercar contender. Expect 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds and a top speed north of 200 miles per hour. But it's not just about brute force. Lexus has fine-tuned every element, from the active aerodynamics to the precision-tuned suspension, ensuring a ride that's both thrilling and balanced. The new LFA isn't just fast, it's an experience. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit built for speed and luxury. A fully digital driver's display, track-inspired steering wheel, and race-grade bucket seats wrap you in a high-tech yet premium atmosphere. Lexus understands that true performance is about more than just numbers, it's about the feel. So, will the 2026 Lexus LFA live up to the legend? If these early details hold true, we're looking at a new king in the supercar world. Lexus has gone all in, combining raw power with precision engineering. What do you think? Does the new LFA have what it takes to challenge the best? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Smooth Auto Vibes for more high-octane content. Until next time, keep it smooth, keep it fast.